Accounting Seed Business Accounting Honest Review. Watch before using. Managing accounting for a growing business can quickly become overwhelming. Most people get this wrong. They use basic spreadsheets or disconnected software. That makes reporting a nightmare. Accounting Seed is a cloud-based accounting platform built on Salesforce, designed to handle everything from general ledger to billing and project accounting. The surprising truth is how much it streamlines processes while staying fully customizable. You won't believe how it can unify your financial operations in one system. Here's how it works. Accounting Seed integrates seamlessly with Salesforce, giving you real-time visibility into financial data. You can manage accounts payable, accounts receivable, invoices, and expenses all in one platform. For example, a services company can link projects to specific clients, track time, and generate invoices automatically based on actual work completed. Another key feature is reporting. Most businesses get this wrong. They spend hours exporting data to create reports. Accounting Seed provides pre-built and customizable financial reports, dashboards, and KPIs, allowing executives to make informed decisions instantly. It also supports automation for recurring transactions, approval workflows, and multi-currency accounting. You won't need to chase approvals or manually convert currencies for international clients. However, there are considerations. Accounting Seed requires Salesforce, so businesses not already on the platform may face onboarding costs. Most people assume it's plug and play, but some customization is needed to match your accounting structure. In conclusion, Accounting Seed is a powerful solution for businesses looking to unify accounting, billing, and project management in one cloud-based system. It saves time, reduces errors, and provides real-time insights into your financial health. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of accounting and business management tools.